This is David from Swimming Pool Learning, and in this video I'm going to show you the Beatbot AquaSense Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. In this video I'm going to show you the Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, and this is called the Beatbot. The Beatbot is a pretty unique robotic pool cleaner because not only does it clean the pool floors, walls, and waterline, but it also cleans the pool surface. And included in the box is this charging base. This is how you charge the cleaner. It also comes with this quick start guide as well as this user manual. And on the front and also on the back are these scrubbing brushes. You can see it has a pretty good sized debris opening, so this cleaner should be effective with leaf debris as well as dirt. And I mentioned that this cleaner also cleans the pool surface, and this part here will open up and then it'll take in the surface debris. And you can see that the Beatbot has these propellers here on the back, and this is used when it does the surface cleaning. And it features a top loading debris basket. You can see that the debris basket is a good sized basket. It's also dual layered. And this cleaner will filter down to 150 microns. On top are the function buttons. You have the power button here. You also have your modes here. You have your Pro mode. You have your Eco mode. You have the standard mode. And you have the fast mode. And all of these will clean various parts of the pool. And according to the manufacturer, it should take about 3 hours to fully charge the Beatbot. And the company states that you can get 5 hours of cleaning time on the floor mode, and then you can get up to 9.5 hours of cleaning time on the surface cleaning mode. In the back here is a spot for the optional clarifying agent kit, and this is a canister that snaps in back here, and you would add a pool clarifier to it, and it'll release the clarifier as it's moving through the pool. There's also an app available, and you can use the app to program the cleaner and also to control it. And this is a really sharp looking cleaner, so I'm going to go ahead and put it through the test. I'm going to put it in Pro mode, which is the floors, walls, waterline, and surface cleaning mode. By the cleaning ability of the Beatbot, I think it did a great job with the debris on the floor, and it did a great job cleaning the walls of the pool and the waterline as well. So where this cleaner excels on the floors of the pool, the walls, and the waterline, it does a decent job on the surface, but I think you're better off getting a dedicated surface cleaner. I think it's great that it does all these modes, of course, and it's something that they're moving in the right direction to make it an all-around cleaning robot for your pool. I think the runtime is also excellent. It does a great job with the runtime, and so you're going to have plenty of time to clean a small, medium, and even a large pool with this particular cleaner. once the cleaner finishes its cleaning cycle, it should be floating on the surface of the pool like this. If it's not at the edge of the pool, you can use the included hook to retrieve it. And since it's floating, it should be pretty light and easy to pull out of the pool. Most of the water should have been evacuated out of the cleaner. Let me show you the debris that the cleaner picked up at this pool. And you can see the cleaner did a great job with leaf debris as well as dirt. And you can see some of the fine dirt that was trapped in the second layer. So the Beatbot AquaSense Pro did a great job on the floors of the pool as well as the walls and waterline. And it does a decent job on the surface. Again, it's not primarily designed as a surface cleaner, but designed as an all-around cleaner for your pool, for the pool floors, walls, and also the surface. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.